Welcome, students. We'll have read the story, The 500 Hats of Bartholomew Cubbins by Dr. Seuss. And from there, we're going to make our own Peter Pan style Bartholomew Cubbins hat. All right, first of all, you're going to get a square piece of paper, and yours are actually a little bit larger than this, but I want you to just come up with some sort of random design and color it in. Add lots of line designs and colors, and we'll spend a couple weeks working on this and giving it some cool designs, and then we'll proceed to fold it. And so this part of the video is how to fold this paper into a Peter Pan style hat. All right, so once you have covered it, and some of you will be ahead of others, and if you have extra time you can color the other side too. Once we fold it, there is going to be some of the back side on the outside, and so then you can add some more embellishment then. Okay, so here is our paper. Your first step is you're going to fold it in half with your design on the outside and your fold down here at the bottom. There you go, fold it in half. Your next step is you're going to fold it in half again so that it's another square. Now this is going to just be an origami fold where you're just going to need that crease as a guide, and so we're going to open it back up again. All right. Then we're going to move on to the next step. You're going to fold in the sides, the full side, and to the center and crease it. So pull that towards the center and crease. So now you have that square again that opens up like this with doors. All right, now this is probably the trickiest spot, but it's not hard. It's just going to be a little bit more tricky, and I'm going to zoom in just a little bit. All right, so you're going to open up this side page and you're going to kind of fold out the bottoms of this thing. So if you take this and you fold out the bottom, leaving this crease in the middle, and if you put a little bit of your hand here into a point, you're going to create this house shape. Okay, so kind of a triangular on top and rectangle below. You're going to do the same thing on this side. You're going to kind of open the two sides together and fold down. And sometimes if you put your hand here, you can get this kind of folded down so that you have two house shapes. If you can see that, two house shapes. And once you're done with that part, you're going to fold the backs behind. If you need to, you can turn it over and fold these two backs to the back. Okay? So now I've got another square, and they actually look the same on both sides. This is the final step, is you're going to fold up this corner, just one side, not the whole thing. You're going to leave it one half, because this is becoming the Peter Pan part hat. So you've got a 90-degree fold, like that, and then you're going to fold it like an airplane fold, 45 degrees, like that, and then a third time on up. So this is going to be the inside of the hat. I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to have the same thing over here, but my point is on this side now, and so I'm going to do a 45-degree angle, and then a 90-degree angle, and then the 45-degree angle, and the third fold open like that, and here I have my Peter Pan hat all ready to embellish. Now, we've already talked about this, but you can add a feather. This part you can add some more color to. This is the part that was on the back side, and now it's on the front. So maybe add some more designs there. Add a feather. Any other things that you want to add, and it's ready to go and wear home. There you go. That is your Peter Pan hat. Happy folding.